Don't have a fucking clue.
Fuck. That was outside here. Someone got thrown at me. Something got thrown at me. And someone's just got thrown out. That wasn't me.
Can we go get your bag?
I think we need to... What? No, fuck off. No, I saw something. I just saw something.
What?
Move your light. Do it again. Up.
I didn't move my light.
I think... I just saw something to the left, and it could have been your light. I'm just going to say it was your light. Fuck.
I'll leave that door open.
Can you just listen?
Left it open, yeah?
Yeah.
Just show it.
Can you not hear that?
What?